If you found this video, it's because you're having an issue with DeskFlow, and the issue is something like this. Let me show. So you are using the mouse, your mouse entered the remote server, so your mouse entered the other PC, not the DeskFlow server, entered the other computer screen, and mouse is stuck, very slow, very choppy. It's just stuck in the middle. You want to pull it back to your original PC, and you cannot, especially if you're pulling down. If you're pulling left to right to PCs on the left or right of your main screen, maybe it works. But if you are pulling down, you cannot pull it back down. You have to disconnect the client so you can pull the mouse back to your original screen. If you're experiencing this issue, this is what you have to do. You just do sudo dnf remove deskflow -star. I'm going to put this in the description below. But this occurs especially, let me show you. Sorry for that, the downloads. Let me see. Yeah, especially if you're using the version 1.25 or higher, they have kind of a beta version there. So you cannot pull the mouse down. Left and right, you can pull it back. But when it's on the remote screen, on the other PC screen, you cannot pull it down. It does not go back down. It can, left and right works apparently fine. But when the mouse enters the other screen, you cannot make it go down, either to come back to your server, either just to click on the start menu, for example, of the other PC. So down does not work. Left and right works, kind of works, but it's very choppy. Okay. So if you're using version 1.25 or higher, you have this problem. I'm using Fedora. How do I fix this? Well, to fix this, you just do sudo dnf remove deskflow -start. It's going to remove all deskflow shit. If you're using 1.25, and then you just install again without any other worries. Of course, I'm sorry for my phone. You have just to put in the credentials. Now it's going to install version 1.24, blah, 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 something. It doesn't really matter. And now things are just working proper. I'm pulling my mouse up and down. I can pull it back down. It enters remote desktops and I can pull it down. So everything works fine. The remotes may have 1.25, but the server needs to be at least at this version, okay? Or else you'll have that problem. Down does not work, left and right kind of works, but the rest does not. So if you're having issues with 25, just downgrade to 24. This 24 version actually works for me on the server itself. It comes directly from the official Fedora repositories. Just do the install and don't install it from the GitHub. See you next time.